Bright and sunny Sunday afternoon. Just figured I'd get out near my neighborhood and go for a ride on my new to me bike. I've done a few slight modifications to it, and I'd like to share with you guys. And also, I picked up a new microphone and wanted to test that out, see how that works. All right, well, you see I got a bag on here. This is the bag I usually use on my commuter slash city bike slash pub bike slash fun bike slash bike, my Trek 930. And I need a bag to carry this without carrying a backpack. It's like 95 degrees out, so the less I have on myself, the more comfortable of a ride it's going to be. So I'm storing this thing in there. It's easy, 3 straps, boom, boom, and boom, and I can switch it pretty easily. I bought that bag off Sierra Trading Post, or Sierra it's called now, probably like 16 years ago for like 12 bucks. So I can't beat the deal on that one. I've been using it forever. I did a couple just minor upgrades with stuff that I just got out of my own little parts bin, and I mean little, it's little. So I'll just show you the few things that I changed on this. Again, I got rid of the pedals and put these old metal BMX style pedals on there, but I like the look of them. As far as changes go, I got my old Bontrager saddle on there, and it's got a few chunks out of it. Another thing I changed out was the handlebar. It had a steel like riser bar on it, and I put this icon bar. The thing that sucks about this is it's got a big old divot in there, so can't take it off any big jumps. Not that I do that anyway. But it's always in the back of my mind. Nah, it should be fine. But it's crazy to me that obviously this is an alloy bar, the other one's steel. That other bar weighs like 5 pounds, and this thing is just very, very light. Very light compared to that other stock bar that came on there. And I ditched the grip shift grips, and I had these sitting around from a different bike that I changed grips out of for one of my kids, and they're just like a foam, and I was able to cut them down. Oh yeah, and the major change, I finally replaced the tires and the tubes. I got some WTB Volpine 700 by 40 tires, front and rear. Pretty cool tire pattern, rolls fast. It's like a gravel tire. Yeah, Volpine. So far it's been a great tire. Now granted, I've only got maybe 40 miles on these tires, just simply because I you know, have been doing other stuff to it. But I went through the entire bike, all the bearings, wheel bearings, headset, cleaned everything. Chain's good, clean, re-greased that, re-oiled it. The wheel bearings, the bearings and everything, the races and everything look great. This bike probably didn't have a lot of miles on it. I'm talking probably 100 or less. Or it was extremely well maintained before it was hung up in the garage. But the grease, I'm guessing, was original or super old, but it was basically like dried up mud. So yeah, cleaned all that out, greased everything with fresh grease, and just been riding it. I do need to adjust the front brake. It drags a little bit after I use it. Come up to a stop sign or something like that, and it'll slightly drag a little bit, so I have to adjust that because I pulled the brakes off, cleaned the posts, re-greased the posts and all that, so obviously it's a little out of whack for me doing that. And again, I'm no bike mechanic, so I'm just learning as I go. Peace.